What's up, everybody? We are back on our grind today for the first exercise for chapter 3. We're going to merge and center our title. To do that, we are going to press on where it starts, and then we're going to do shift right arrow until you go to L. And then under the home tab, under alignment, you're going to press merge and center, and voila. Now, there's another way to do this, and this is the more common way that people merge and center their titles, because if you were to do the manual way, the way that I just did, that kind of messes up your format. So most of the time, if not all the time, this format is the one that's used. So basically, I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to shift control down, and then I'm going to do shift to where we did last time, L, and then I'm going to hit on my keyboard control 1. So control 1. And once you hit control 1, you get this pop-up. And once you get this pop-up under text alignment horizontal, I'm going to press the down arrow and then press center across selection. And then you press OK. And then ta-da, you get the same results. And this is the more widely used way of doing a merge and center. But for the exam, you can just do the first way that was just taught. And yeah, have a good day.